In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer a Nintendo Switch Minecraft Worlds to PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The quickest and simplest way to transfer any world you have on your Nintendo Switch to the PC version of Minecraft Bedrock is by using realms. When you click the Play tab at the home screen and then you go into the worlds, you should see this pop up at the top, realms. Get your own server and 150 plus packs. If you don't own realms already, as you can see, it's going to be a subscription-based plan, so you do need to pay if you wish to transfer any world properly. When you have access to realms, what you can do is attribute any of your worlds to a realm. So simply click the pencil icon, and you can also do this on your Nintendo Switch if you'd like, or your computer, it doesn't matter. All you have to do is buy a realm. Find the world on your Nintendo Switch that you want to transfer. Click the pencil icon and then select Play on Realm. As you can see, I don't have any realms right now, but you would be able to select one realm that you own. And when you go back to Minecraft Bedrock on PC, if you are logged into the same Microsoft account that you use on your Nintendo Switch to purchase and use the realm, you will be able to find your Nintendo Switch world on PC inside of the realm, and you can just join it from here. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Nintendo Switch Minecraft Worlds to PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.